Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing really well. We are in Thailand. Isn't that insane? I feel like that's a wild start to the vlog, but it's even more insane because I'm here with Faye, which is like such a full circle moment from being behind the scenes at the brand, then many years later being invited on a brand trip with the same brand, and it's an international trip. All of it is doing something to me. But yeah, I'm here with Faye for the launch of their new fragrances. These are the 4 fragrances. I will talk you through each one later maybe, but I'm running very late. We had an early morning flight, and even though the itinerary was supposed to like our lunch and all the things that were planned in the itinerary was supposed to start at like 3, we got delayed, and so now all the activities are kind of rushed. I had such bad flight anxiety before today's flight, by the way. I was like so panicky, but somehow I talked myself down and I had a little cry before my flight. I think it really helped because the rest of the flight I kind of managed to get a good sleep, and then we had such a fun like car ride even though we were like delayed. We were playing games and playing music, and we finally reached the villa, and they had really decked it up, guys. I'm not joking. They have given us so much stuff, and actually they did inform us in advance to bring like a really big suitcase because we have lots of things to carry back with us, and actually they even gifted us a suitcase. Yeah, when I say full circle moment, this is what I mean. Just being able to see the brand's growth from when I was there to what they are now. So once we got here, just for the sake of time, I decided to eat lunch and immediately do the mango sticky rice session that they had planned for us. Ideally, we had a day outfit planned for that, but because I wanted to just get dressed in peace for the night, I decided to do it like in the same airport outfit. Then I came to the room and did some work. I first unpacked everything in my suitcase, put away all the stuff that they had left for us on the bed in the suitcase, and basically made my room the way I like it and got comfortable in it. And then I had my shower. Then I tried my outfit on that I had planned for the night, and can you imagine, it's become so tight for me. All my clothes are becoming tight for me. I feel like they have an expiration date of like 1 year. This was a dress from Own India that I actually wore at a Cosmo Award a few, I think 2 years ago. So that dress was like the perfect one for the brief, but then it doesn't fit me. It doesn't zip up anymore, and they've also arranged for a photographer to come in and take pictures of all of us, like do mini photo shoots with each of us. So I did not want to wear anything that I would like feel uncomfortable in, you know, like is this showing, is that showing? You know what I mean. Yeah, I had to go a different route. I am gonna wear the outfit that I planned for tomorrow today, because today's dinner theme after the photo shoot is a destination wedding, And so the accessories and all that I had planned for the burnt orange outfit that I would have just shown you, I feel like would go with the theme better than for tomorrow. And for tomorrow I will figure out some other outfit, because I did bring like a bunch of extra outfits just in the case that something like this would happen, which I never do. I was talking to the other creators and they were like, oh my god, yeah, I always take extra outfits. And I never do. I always sit and plan every single outfit down to like what underwear I'm gonna wear with the outfit, and I only bring that. Maybe I should have actually done that, but honestly, things were so hectic before I came for this trip. Also, I don't think I could have managed it. Literally, my friends had to come and style my trip wardrobe and make my packing list with me. Like, they literally laid the clothes down for me and helped me figure like which accessory with what bag with what dress. They were so helpful. Yeah, so that's the plan B, which I'm going with. And I'm yapping a little bit too much, so I'm gonna just do my hair quickly, do my makeup quickly. I might just use a lot of fave products, obviously, because they have given us a bunch of fave products. In fact, I even bought with me all my fave products to do like a full face of fave while I'm here. Can you imagine the nostalgia of filming a full face of fave again? It's gonna really hit. I'm gonna do like kind of basic-ish makeup. I think if the hair is nice, the makeup will look nice inevitably, which is why I decided to bring my Volumo with me. I know this is not gonna last all through dinner, but it's something. So I'm gonna just do a simple-ish, straightforward-ish makeup look, and we'll get going for the evening. I feel like the look has turned out really well. So was the hair. I mean, as much as it could. I'm just adding the final touch, which is this pair of earring. I showed you this in my jewelry collection, I think. It's from Mango. It looks so good. I love how this has turned out. This is the bag I'm carrying because today is more destination wedding theme. I feel this was appropriate. For slippers, I'm wearing gold heels. Can you believe this happened to me? I went to Zara and I bought these slippers. They're so cute, okay? Somehow I've got one size 40 and one size 37. How does this happen? Here's the outfit. I might just end up carrying my purse as a clutch if it's gonna crease my dress, but that's a call for later. Also, the lipstick I'm wearing is the Fay Beauty, obviously Fay Beauty Ideal Kajal in brown, paired with their lip whip in the shade Safe Word. I'm gonna select my perfume now. I almost forgot. Can you imagine? This is the most important step. And since today we're going for a destination wedding event, I think I should use destination wedding. This one says it's got notes of jasmine, cashmeran, and white musk. It's smelling so jasmine-y and perfect for like destination weddings. I don't know. It's perfect. Oh my god, it's so good. How did they do that? Even putting some on my feet. Why not? I'm just gonna take my bag and we're good to go. All my hairstyling is gone, guys. Nice.
Ready? Yeah. Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
To a destination wedding feast. That's why we only had
Hello guys, it's the next day. Yesterday night, after the dinner, I felt really sick. I don't know what happened, but I was just like dying. Basically, I got food poisoning, I think, and it was not an enjoyable experience. But I've survived the night. I took medicine. Now I'm getting ready for lunch. In the morning, we had like I had to have very, very bland food. So I just ate bread and like some yogurt, which was really soothing. But now my stomach pain is coming back slowly. I'm just using face SPF juice. I'm not gonna do too much for makeup because anyway we have to come back and get ready again for dinner. So as I was saying, my stomach pain has like come back. It's like cramping, you know. I hate that every time I travel I fall sick. So exhausting. Because I'm here to enjoy my time, but then I can't enjoy my time, and I don't know. Hopefully, today is better. I don't know what I'll eat at lunch, to be honest. Maybe I'll become vegetarian for the day. I will show you what we get up to, but for now, I just thought I'll do a check in. Okay, I think it'll be like really cool if I use mirror glaze. Just I love this. I feel like of all their launches, Mirror Glaze has like, I've just been loving it. Okay, let's use one of Faye's blushes. This is the shade Baki. Baki is the little doggo that the founder has. If you've been watching my vlogs from like back then, you will know this doggo. I came here and I was like, why didn't you bring Baki? Then I'm basically just finishing my makeup with the Faye Gloss in the shade Living. Okay, makeup is done. Cheers, I'm having ORS.
Life. Together it's called Kanda. Kanda. Oh, this is a cute one. I was just gonna say. It is twisting. I think it's the ocean. It's the ocean trees, like the moisture. Is what? Got like that. Is there Thai? Normal? Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Hello, so I'm ready for the evening. I don't know how I managed to pull this off because I'm so sick, guys. My stomach is hurting so much. I know it doesn't look like it, but I'm really struggling. But I still have to get the content, you know. So I've stuffed myself full of medicine as much as I could. The ones I was having yesterday night and today morning I think is not working, so I asked my mom and I changed the medicine. Hopefully now it gets better because I don't want to be having like these stomach problems on a flight. That would be really bad. Already I have enough to worry about when it comes to being on a flight, but anyway, I'm wearing the Faye lip liner in the shade Borderline with the lip whip in the shade Screw. Such a nice combo. As for the outfit, I'm wearing this white dress. It's a bit loose on me, so it's perfect for my food poisoned bloated belly. And of course, the fragrance I'm wearing is my boyfriend's hoodie. Basically in the trip what they've done is have like 4 different events inspired by 4 of the scents. First we had the mango sticky rice workshop, which was for last night in Thailand, which is mango inspired scent. And then we had the dinner at this place called Ban Rimpa, which was for destination wedding, the scent. And then for the scent dessert in my hotel room. The team had arranged like robes and desserts in the villa. So that's the third activity. And then today we're doing a date night with Faye for the scent My Boyfriend's Hoodie. The whole thing is so cute. They've really thought a lot about it. So yeah, let's go see what they have set up for us.
With us and like enjoying your week with us from special someones in your lives on a date with someone that you truly love.
And that's a wrap on the Faye trip. It was so surreal. I have no other words. But yeah, let's go back to Bombay.